Hello, thanks for joining me again in my garage. Well, I've got some good news. If you're looking out for a longer laser and you're after a bit of discount, I've managed to get you a discount code. If you've watched my last video, you know that I've now teamed up with Longer and I've got some nice Longer goodness to test. So the link, as far as I know, even works on their sale items. I have checked that today, which is September 2024, and even their promotional items on their autumn sale were discounted. So the discounts will appear in the cart right at the end, and that will show you how much money you're saving. Now I assume if there's some items on their website that the discount isn't applied to, that will notify you as 0 discount on that particular item when you check out. So before you check out, just double check that you're happy with the discount. Now, because you're getting a discount, it is an affiliate link. So that means by you using the link, you save a lot more money than my commission is going to be. I receive, I don't know what the terms are with Longer. When they offered me the code, I thought, yeah, my viewers would like some of that. So I think the code is 5% at the moment, but perhaps that will go up in time. I am still relatively new in partnership with Longer, but I'm sure it's going to be a long and happy partnership between me and them. No money has changed hands. They've sent me the items free of charge to test. They aren't looking to review any of my videos. They obviously like what I'm doing. So let's see what else they send me in the future. Anyway, let me know whether the code has worked. Let me know how much money you have saved. So if it's worked for you, please share this video around, and especially share the code around, because everyone likes to save money. Anyway, that's Andy as ever, wishing a good afternoon and continue to make some happy smoke.
Thanks for making it to the end of my videos. If I've earned your respect and your trust, perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel. It really does make a massive difference. And maybe you would like to watch some of the videos popping up on the screen now. Let me know what you think. Cheers for now.